Yo, what's going on, fam? Last night, Bitcoin tickled, edged, blue balls us a little bit here, reaching almost to 100,000. Looks like it topped out at about 99.5. CME, on the other hand, stealing all our fun as usual. CME hitting 100,005 and making us all wish that we were trading CME instead of Bitcoin, but that's okay. We don't want CME. We don't want paper IOU Bitcoin. Times are spicy, and I can't even tell you how many messages I got last night of, man, why aren't you going live? Aren't you going live? It's going to 100K. Are you going live? And I just said the same thing. I'm not getting out of bed for anything less than 6 figures. But today is Friday, and we are wrapping up the week. It is the first time we've streamed every day for quite some time, and possibly that will continue into maybe into next year. We'll see how the market guides us. You know, I'll always be here when it's spicy. We've been here 5 years. We'll be here 5 more. You guys have been tuning in, keeping it awesome. And I appreciate each and every single one of you for tuning in today. Let's go, fam. How you feeling? How you doing? We could do TA. We could stare at this chart, but you guys know. You know. When you've just been moving up, there's not that much to do. There's not a lot to do. We can identify upside targets. We can talk about RSI. We can talk about momentum. We can talk about VWAP. We can go through all these technical things on the chart. But when this market is hot, those things kind of tend to fail us. They don't behave the same way we've seen over the last few years. We might paint bearish divergence on every single high, and it might not matter at all. Might just keep ripping. That is what we've seen in the past. Looking at the bigger time frames, like the day, we have not gotten our single. Ooh, we won't all of us won't be single soon. We haven't gotten our signal to close positions. That would be a return down out of the overbought on the day, and we are still coasting. What's kind of crazy here is daily RSI all the way up at 78. The last time this happened was February of this year, rallying into March. Yeah, that makes sense. This chart is mostly up. And like I said, we could do analysis, we could do whatever, but it's just not going to have much meaning. What I think is kind of a cool practice to do today is to look at just these candles. The timing of this rally into October, into November, identical to last year. Last year, we did the exact same thing at the exact same time. We broke out in October, rallied in November, and look at this. Look at this price action. This did start a little bit earlier last year, late October, but a little reminiscent of what we're seeing right here, right now. Slightly higher highs, this edging, this teasing, this not giving you the satisfaction, but still nothing bad happening, right? Still going up, still number good, but just making us work for it, right? This is looking so much like what we are seeing now. Really identical. We had a pop, and now we're doing this higher high, slightly higher thing, likely in some kind of ascending channel that usually TA would say, oh, we're going to break to the downside, but I don't know. At some point in this run, we will get retracements. At least that's what we've always seen. This time may be different. There are different factors, undeniably. This is the first bull run where we have spot ETFs. We have publicly traded companies buying Bitcoin, and maybe the biggest of them all, the United States changing their alignment, changing their stance on crypto as the new administration moves in. Favorable conditions. It looks like the new administration very much more interested, very looking to be lighter on the space. We have a lot of factors that we've never had. This time is different, has always been the most dangerous words ever to say in a bull run, but it might be. Maybe this time it's real. I don't know. That's highly speculation. But if we continue, let's say something like we saw, I think we did this before, but let's do it again because it's cool stuff. If we continue what we saw last year, let's just take that price action, bring it to March's high, and let's just flop it on the chart here. That's the best thing to do. This is some pretty lazy but kind of cool TA. It's going to be hard to decide where to begin this, as you would think maybe it'd be more like this, right? Maybe more like that. But I'm just going to do this in the hopium. We'll do this as like the hopium set. Looking at just slapping that on here. Some interesting levels for sure. In fact, this looks all too good and makes me a little spookies. This is actually kind of spooky. Hold up. 95K was my target. Obviously, as we approached it, people are like, duh, Tom, of course you're going 95K, duh. Yeah, well, man, we said it a while before that. You know, it wasn't so obvious when we said it. We got that number from some very simple analysis. Ooh, I see people subscribe. What's up, Scuba Steve, my guy, Bappy, Barman, Zanal. You got a lot of new names. Welcome. Keep subscribing. Keep hitting those likes. This intro won't be very long. I just want to get through a few little things. And then we'll get to the chat, see what you guys are doing. Solana broke to a new all-time high yesterday. We've got a lot going on. We got a lot to look at. 95K coming from a very kind of brain-dead way to look at the chart. We broke our high. We use our fib tool, 95K, the 1618, the number we always look for, right? Easy. kind of interesting here is you'll notice right around here, 111, really this would be 120. And guys, remember, this is very much entertainment right at this point. This is, I wouldn't trade based on this, though I do like the way this looks. 111, 120. I know a lot of people looking at that 120 number. And what caught my eye here is this peak from the pattern coming in very, very close. Very, very uncomfortably close. This same move from 73 that brought us to 95 or guided us to 95. If we apply that analysis to the all-time high, to the bear market low, that brings us right to 174, 175. Great target. Great place to look to take some profits if you haven't. But this is kind of spooky, don't you think? That fits just too well. Too freaking well. 120 back to just under 100. Run stops, freak out retail, and then send it into Q1. And let's be real, if this does happen, if we do mirror all of this price action, which so far has, maybe, yeah, there's no way to know it will in the future, so far has, then we probably would be looking for something like this as well. A long, boring, drawn-out number. Honestly, ignore the scale here because I'm just placing them. Ignore like the time. Don't be like, oh no, 2026. Although that lines up. Likely bring us to a boring summer again. I don't know if I've ever seen an exciting Bitcoin summer. Every single year, I think this year everyone's gonna expect it to be boring. It's gonna be exciting. It's gonna pump. It's gonna catch everyone off guard. It doesn't. Love to be wrong about that. But if you're really in this space, really invested, schedule your vacations for summer. That would be my vacation advice. Yeah, I just want to go through that. That's about it. That's all we really got on the corn. There's very little analysis to be done. You know, I'm gonna take a picture of that. I'm gonna throw this in the Discord. By the way, you should join it. Discord.gg/TomCrown. You should join because tonight, if we have enough support, we're gonna have another open mic chat, nerd, chill, Bitcoin, crypto, BYOB, bottles and blunts. Night. It was a lot of fun on Friday. You should join. It's free. Everyone's welcome. I put that in there. I'm going to get rid of this simply because it's taking up too much room on my chart. But if we kind of diverge from that, we don't have much else here. I have a lot of like trend lines that I was just kind of dicking around with earlier, kind of just getting a feel here. This is not looking as likely. This is not looking in play either. Looking at low time frames, this is about all we can say. We can look at higher highs. We can look at higher highs here. We can look at higher lows, and we can say, man, 100K seems all but given. I think the most painful thing to happen right now would be if we don't hit 100K. And I'm going to knock on wood for you guys as I say that, because Lord, I don't want that. But everyone is now determined, 100% sure that we'll hit it. We're at 99.1. That's not even a 1% move at this point. It's all but hit. We've seen it on other charts. I think crypto.com, their exchange hit it. But Coinbase and Binance, the two that I watch closest, no 100K yet. Hopefully that is during the stream. And let's definitely jump down to some low time frames, and then we're going to check out the chat. Let me just get an idea here. Money flow kind of weak. I'm not really that threatened by it. This is on the 1 minute. RSI climbing up here. I like this. Starting to see maybe an inverse head and shoulders on low time frames here. Let me flip the chart for you. Very simple. Sometimes simple analysis is like the best analysis, especially when things are trending. I don't know how you would draw this exactly. Maybe like that. Something like that. Left shoulder, head, right shoulder. Either way, looking for a reversal from this morning sell-off. I like that. I like that a lot. 5 minute, I like this too. 5 minute, we see money flow losing ground, giving up a little bit of that strength it had from earlier this morning. RSI getting up there, staying up there. This is looking very tasty. Very tasty. Hourly just pulling that arrow, pulling that bowstring back, drawing energy, ready to let it fly. Let's go. It is Friday, and we have not seen very spicy weekend price action lately. We did for a little bit, then it left. It would be interesting if we close above 100 today. If CME, I would say more importantly, closes above 100 today, stops trading open Sunday, we could open with a very big gap. We have left gaps below us, such as, let's call it 88 to about 90K down here from earlier this month. We have another gap, a bigger one, 77 to 80K. This isn't even in play. And then we have some legacy. I'll call them legacy at this point. 60, 53. This chart is getting a little bit like Swiss cheese. We have quite a bit of these unfilled gaps. There was a time where people said, and I'm sure they still do, there was a time where people said they have to fill. They'll always fill. I don't know, man. I don't know. At this point, which one of these do you think is going to fill? Realistically, in a bear, like into the bear market, we could see a bunch of these fill. But I think these have gone the way of the 9K gap. They will forever be what bears point at saying, see, I told you we're going down. You were wrong. I was right. Oh, I'm a bear. Oh, I like to be contrarian. I like to get wrecked. Anyway, trading up here, chilling out as we went live as usual. I like it. Let's take a peek at Solana here. Pull it up. Solana hit new all-time highs into this day, and I think that's all right with me. Likely driven by some meme coin craze. Solana pushing up, though an uncomfortable all-time high. Trading only up to 264, its previous all-time high 260, now in a red candle on the day. Certainly not a comfortable seat to be in for anyone FOMOing into Solana right now. A little uncomfortable. All right, I'll do more analysis on the corn and Solana, but I want to see what you guys are doing. What's up, Cable Guy, Mike McCarty, Amy Lives Crypto? How are you doing? How's your channel doing? Amy, have you seen an increase of views over the last month? I'm curious. Tom, can you give your opinion on XLM, general anesthetic? Yes. Yes. In fact, let me pull this up. So we've got Bitcoin. We're just kind of waiting, chilling. Solana will do some analysis. MicroStrategy, real quick flex here, fam. If you doubt fib extensions, explain this. MicroStrategy opened at 540, our exact extension target, closed 25% down. 25% down. Tell me these don't work. Look me in the eye and tell me these don't work. You're full of it. I don't think that's the end of MicroStrategy's rally. That was apparently off the back of like Citron saying they're short. I don't know. Who cares? Who cares, man? For the week, it's still green, even though down 25% from yesterday's open. MicroStrategy is on fire. I think probably I still wouldn't want to buy it at this point. Maybe if we see a retest of 200, but on fire, absolutely. Crypto total market cap still rallying. But what I was really doing is pulling up XRP because XRP is making wild moves. I'll pull up XLM because it seems to run with it. And we'll check out both of those probably right after Solana. Whoa. Whoa, Nelly. All right. Whoa, XLM. Ho. We've got some charts ahead of us, fam. Absolutely. Let me finish seeing who's here. Matthew Shemady. Check Solana versus market cap. That we will. That we shall, my friend. Long Mountain. Pianibo. Can I analyze Ponky? Yeah, we did Ponky yesterday, and the analysis I don't think has changed much. Maybe we'll have time. Your poll needs a definite maybe. Yeah, I like this. By the way, thanks for reminding me. The poll, we only have 380 votes. We've got 840 viewers. Let's pump those numbers if you could. Make sure you're subscribed. Your name will pop up on the live stream. I'll shout you out. Click these placebo buttons a few times. Give them a little placebo click. And vote in this poll. When we get like 500 votes, then we'll close it. We'll start another one. There we go. I see the hearts coming in. Try spell Solana from behind. I don't know what that means, G, but what's up, brother? 𝐒𝐕𝐢, I beg you to check CLV. What do you think? Chat, should we do CLV? XLM is on crack, lucky person. Yes, it is. Skate Crow, how are you doing, man? RPod, how are you? I'm doing good, honestly, man. We're at 100K. We're at 99. We're at 100K. I don't know if it's because I expected it last cycle so much, and when it didn't hit, I was 100% confident we'd hit this cycle. I just don't really feel the way I thought I would at 100K. Maybe I need to see a move from like 100K, and then just a big blow up, like 100 to 120 or 100 to 150, like quickly, and then retrace, get scared. Maybe that's what I need. I don't know. Maybe I thought things would be different at 100K. Maybe I thought I'd have more Bitcoin. I don't know, man. Something. I'm doing good, though. Things are good. I guess I'm just maybe not meeting expectations when it comes to the hype. What's up, Kevin VG? 1776 Redbeard MSTR. Yeah, I just glanced at it. We'll probably do a little more analysis on it. Randy Greer, Alchemist. How you doing? XLM, that's already pulled up. You've been buying and selling XLM against USD and BTC just in my check. You speak of the old magics. Been rocking this channel since 10K. Thank you. Hell yeah, running through life. That was quite some time ago. A lot of you guys tuned in right now have been here since, I'll say, the beginning. The beginning of Tom Crown back in 2019, 2020. Let me get these tunes on quietly. 2019, 2020. We started in June 2019. A lot of fam. It's amazing to see you guys still here 5 years later. For all the new people listening, that is a testimony to the success, to the community that people have found here, that they're still here 5 years later. What's up, Take Profits? Bought XR Pizza today. All right, well, we'll take a look. We'll take a look. What's up, Crimson? Loving the fibs? Dude, never doubt the fibs. The fibs are not 100% sure thing. But to say fibs are astrology or something, that's crazy. Loki listed on Coinbase, says Daniel Jackson. Might have to take a peek at that. Higher. What's up for the Judah Bus, Mike McCarty? My chat just froze. Emilidin Hassani was spamming ADA. Yeah, we're going to look at ADA, don't worry. Of course we're going to look at ADA, friends. Do you think I would miss an opportunity to gloat about a chart? You don't know me, friends. You don't know me. What's up, Jeff Tezos? In the house. I missed it. BK, the higher XRP flies, the harder it will fall. True of everything. True of everything. Crypto Arrow XLM attempting to be your top asset. Isn't it interesting when you have a diverse portfolio to see the shuffling around of how things go? Like, Litecoin was my second highest portfolio for many, many years, and it didn't do anything. But then Ethereum started doing so much, it overtook it. Doge overtook both of those at one point. It's like a shuffling for order. It's pretty cool. What's up, Arctic Fox? Can we look at Tesla? I probably could look at Tesla. Let me see. I know one of the Tesla positions, the Uber Tesla position. Nah, it's still there. We'll look at Tesla after the crypto. What do I think of Fred? Honestly, Mark, I have no idea. What is Fred? Tell me what Fred is. If you guys want me to look at some random meme coin or something, you gotta tell me why. Why do you want to look at it? What's in it for you? It doesn't have to be a convincing answer. I just want to know. Like, you bought it and you want the number to go up. That's fine. What's up, G-Not? Yeah. We're gonna look at Floki. Anal OS equals Solana. I don't know what that means, Bob Mo, but I appreciate you. Who else? Who else is here? Tonzi pulled up that XLM chart. Yeah, bro. Yeah, bro. Oh. I almost want to look at XLM next. XLM. Not gonna lie, I am a big advocate of saying nothing ever dies in crypto. Just like goes dormant. But if you would have asked me if this would have happened, I would have doubted it. XLM just seemed so sleepy. Seems so sleepy. We'll definitely watch this chart. Ethereum, sure. What's up, Analita team? Who else? Flavor, ICP. People always ask about ICP, and then I open the chart and nothing's happened. 10K, oh my God, what's 10K? Nah, 10K subscribers. Algo up 30%. Look at Algo. I have to refresh the chat because, my lord, it's frozen. Do people look at the price of diamonds? That's a good question, Philly Skills. I don't think diamonds are traded in that same way. Diamonds have such like a markup when you buy them. They're just disconnected from spot, but I'm sure there's people doing it. Klaus, Mesito, holy crap, hell yeah, dude. XLM, I know I have some somewhere, but like, you know, not enough for this to matter. Look at this candle, up 240% this month. That's pretty massive. I think there are bigger monthlies, but that one's pretty massive. 𝐂𝐴𝐺, heavy down on a long trade with DJ and heavy down. LOLTA, I don't know what you mean. Sin is great. Shine bright like a diamond. That's right, my friend. CLV, there's another CLV request. I'll pull up CLV. CLV? Do I not even have the chart? Whoa. CRV. CKB. CV. How do I not have a chart for this? You guys have thrown me a curveball. CLV. Take a look at HBAR. Ask Scooby Dooby. It's a great name, bro. Fantastic name. You win today's best name. Huh. Yeah. Yeah, take a look at CLV then. Who else? What's up, Lee Meredith? You know, let me just run through the whole list. We got 420 Blaze It. I love you, man. Alchemist, Alex Powers, a lot of Fajayan. You joined, my friend. You're a man of your word, too. Andre Faria, BK. We've got Bad Saf rejoining us. I know your trades are going well, brother. Another OG of this channel. Black Cat, 𝐂𝐽𝐻, Bob Mo, Cable Guy, Cali Fried Chicken, Christian Lay, Kodan, Crespo, Crypto Poppy, Crypto Military Vet. How are you doing, brother? Good to see you. Daniel Edwards, Das Giggler. That's another great name. Contestant for number 1. DJ Meat Missile definitely won yesterday's name game. Donato Cabrera, Dreadnoughtus, Dude TGB, Flavor, Frezzle, Mr. Frez. Is that Frez? Is that the Frez? Have you rejoined us? What's up, God, G-Not, G Trading, J, Jason, Jeff Tezos, Joe B, Joe Potter, John Johnson, JP, No Morgan, Justin King, Karan Patel, King, Peasant, Klaus, Macito, Chris Pax, my friend, probably like a Dogecoin just for you. Lars Larson, Lee Meredith, Lero Vax, Lotch Ski, Long Mountain, Lucky Person, Lee Meredith. I don't know if I got that one. What's up, Lee Meredith? Matthew Schmid, Meads Cat, Michael Norris, Michuana, Mike McCarty, ML, Mr. Meaner, Mr. T Crypto, Muzad, Ranja, Nate Dog, OK, Philly Skills, P Kirky, Player Time, what's up, man? OK, Robert Nitz, Running Through Life, Scooby Doobies, Shane, Sylv, Skywalker, Slothbag, Susan S. Pickle, Supervillain, The Librarian, Tillin, McPooch, Tony Pacello, Tony Norman, Tonzi Norman, Two Big Paws, VJ, Ragavan, Warren G? Dude, we have so many names, so many fams. Each and every one of you, I hope you've hit the like and subscribed. We are not alone. Crypto Hodl, 𝐒𝐈𝐆𝐍, Richie, and anybody else I missed along the way. Who did I miss? I'm sorry if I missed you. Know that I wish that I could have. JP Fredo, EGLD Ready to Rock It, REL. Should you buy some XRP? You're new? How new? Interesting. Ariel. Interesting. How new? I'm curious. I'm going to close this and we're going to do a tab of, or a poll of how new people are. 35% at 500, so that's 150-ish said yes, let's go. Last week was lit. All right, we'll do it. 8 p.m. 8 p.m. tonight in the Discord, discord.gg/TomCrown. It's open invite. You don't have to be in our group. You don't have to do anything. When did you start crypto? Smash that thumbs up. I'm curious. I want to know if there's like anyone who started recently. So we'll do like 2017 before. We'll do 17 before. 2017 or before. Oh yeah, or before. We'll do 2018 to 2021. That sound right? 2021. What year is this? 24. We'll do 2021 to 2023, and then we'll do 2024. I'm curious. Vote in that poll. I want to know if there's actually new people here. You started crypto at age 16 in 2024. Dezo. That's funny, bro. 3 years ago, 17 squad reporting in. 16, a year to remember. You're so new, you sold your Bitcoin at $20. Damn, bro. You started and you just got totally wrecked. I don't know if anyone told you, but Bitcoin's at 100K, dude. Don't beat yourself up. You just started. We all make mistakes. You invested in the wrong altcoins? Brother, story of my life. 22, 19, 23. The tap 2018. Nobody will know your answer. You can be honest. Like, I can't see who voted for what. Nobody else can see who voted for what. It just shows you the number. I'm curious, man. What I'm really curious about is anyone really new? Is anyone in this chat? Or even in the future? Is anyone especially like within the last few months? Or even better in the last month? Curious. OG here? A lot of OGs here, bro. All the OGs, I summon you to Discord tonight for shenanigans. Class of 2012? What are you doing here? You should be like on your own island somewhere. Cardano got you into crypto, tell you so much. This year, JR, really? 200 votes. That means about 20 of us this year. I wouldn't have expected that. You just started this month, Ariel. You are clearly a lucky human. You have found the exact place that you should be. Welcome. Most people don't find this channel for a while. The content can be very advanced in the trading sense and the analysis sense, and it's a little intimidating. I'm not gonna lie, if I never traded before, I would be like, what are they talking about? But you're lucky. I set it up so I can have the chat here in front of me. I'm hoping that like makes me, helps me read it as I go. I have my little iPad right here. That's interesting. Stick around, learn. This is what I say to everyone. So to everyone new out there, I am just here. I'm just a normal dude. I'm not some billionaire. I'm not some maverick that got into crypto, you know, in 2010. I'm just a dude who grew up really poor. Just me and my mom. She did a great job. She took care of us. But like, we grew up pretty poor. I went to college, did all the things I was supposed to do. It didn't matter. It didn't matter. I ended up getting out of college, couldn't get a job with my degree, went into sales, got into crypto, got laid off, and at some point, I finally had a moment to like think about what I wanted to do. And it was Bitcoin. I wanted to do Bitcoin. You can't apply, so I decided to make a channel. But the big part of that is that doing this, not YouTube, though that has been great, getting into crypto changed my financial life in ways that nothing ever was going to change. I saw that. That was obvious. I had high hopes getting out of college. Nothing, my financial situation was never going to change. I was just going to be stuck at this low income just trajectory. And that's the goal here. I don't want you to copy my trades. I don't want you to think you're going to get rich tomorrow. I want you to have a long-term view, and I want you to be successful over time, and I want you to achieve what I've achieved, and you can. It's just going to take patience, discipline, self-control. That's it. That's all you need. So welcome. It is a life-changing opportunity. It is. And it's still here. It just looks a little bit different. It's just not quite the same. You don't understand how to use the Discord paths? Yeah, Discord is really something. If you go to discord.gg/TomCrown or click the link pinned to the message, it's in the chat. If you go there, it'll ask you to try to verify with this bot. If you have issues, you should be able to send a message in help and just tag me and say, Tom, it's not working, and I'll just bring you in. Discord's kind of a bitch. Life-changing. Life-changing. It's a bit much, yeah. It's a lot. It's more than a bit much, I agree. Just know that you don't have to be doing something all the time. Doing nothing, just waiting. Time is the most valuable resource here. Is this the 100K pump? I think so. I don't know. We either just go bananas after 100 or we like wick 100 and then we see our first retrace. I thought it might happen at 95. It hasn't happened. You know, cold wallet's a cringy story, but you have one with 20 Bitcoin lost. Ah, yeah, dude. If you still have that hard drive E800, hold on to it. Even if they can't recover it right now, there may come a time where that would be worth enough, and maybe technology kind of advances, that you'll be able to recover it. No promises, but don't ever get rid of that hard drive, even if it's fried. 95K, tough wall. Yeah. I heard people talking about 100K being a tough wall. I said this on the last stream. Walls are BS. Ignore them. Ignore whatever you can see in the order book. It's BS. If you can see it, it's not real. Telling you. What's up, 𝐒𝐲? How you doing, man? Nick. Bitcoin just keeps climbing. That it does. I have my alert set very tight. We'll come back to it. It's spoofing. Yeah, it's all spoofed. It's all spoofed. The only real orders in the order books are like ours, like retails. All the other ones are spoofed or botting or bot spoofing or spoof botting. What's up, 𝐒𝐲? 2017, barely an OG. Nah, you're an OG now, man. You're an OG now. Official. I knight thee an OG. Didn't make much because you didn't have much to it. Absolutely. Same. I put every extra penny I had in this thing for years. Years. If I would have started with like 100 grand, probably never would have started streaming. Probably never. Probably wouldn't know who Tom Crown is. I'd be off on an island. But dude, same story. But the best stories come from starting at small origins. I'm going to look at Solana here quick. Give me a sec. Spoofing sounds like a new way to smoke. Don't you do that, Shane. Don't you do what you think that is. Don't you do that. Don't you do that, man. Well, let's take a peek here at Solana. I'm not hating what I'm seeing. RSI nice and high. Market's hot. Momentum's up. Money flow making beautiful uptrending waves. Beautiful. Let's see. Let's use that same analysis that guided us to 95K after the 75K breakout on corn. Basically just taking our fib tool, connecting with March's high to August's low. I already have that on the chart. Boom. Here we go. That gives us at our 1618, $312. 312. I know that doesn't get you excited probably. It's only a 21% move from here. But we could see something like this back to 260 and then make that next measured move. So we look at the 1618 as an immediate target and the 2 or measured move as a upward, more bullish target. Just for this move, that sits at 400. I think that 400 can be found elsewhere. Maybe not. Maybe not. I thought maybe there was another fib there. No. 400. That'd be good. What these mean for those of you not really understanding or not really like sure what I'm talking about. These are not a top call, though you will find if you use them enough, they do call tops. They do call tops when the time's right. These are great reminders or places to look to take some profit off the table. I never encourage people to be all out. I don't care if we don't get clicks because I don't say it. I don't care if we don't get subscribers because I don't say it. I'm never going to be like, this is for sure the top or the bottom. You should go all in or all out. No, dude. Nobody knows the future. No one knows where the tops are. No one knows where the bottoms are. Until, obviously, after it's happened. And then everyone apparently knew. Yeah, right. These are great reminders to take profit. If you have a solid position in Solana, say you bought back in 2022 into 23. If you've taken no profit and this hits 200 or 312, look to at least get your principal out. At this point, you shouldn't have to part with a big percent of that position. Just take the risk out. If it's me, I would trade that into Bitcoin, but that's neither here nor there. Same thing is true up here at 400 at our measured move. If you take your principal out, maybe you take your principal out again at 400, you likely still have a good size of that bag. And then you can look to let the rest of that bag ride to these moon numbers. That same analysis here gives us 2,300. These are never guaranteed. That's why we do it robotically. We do it mathematically. We set our plan ahead of the time. We take some profits. We take our risk out. And then we always leave something to maybe hit those big starry-eyed targets, right? That would be exactly how I'd play this. I don't have enough Solana to really care, like, honestly. I have some, but like, even if it goes to 2,300, I don't know, like low 5 figure. I don't even know what I have. But that's exactly how I would play it. If Solana rejects here, if Bitcoin maybe taps 100 and falls back down, those looking to scalp, 250, probably a great target. I'd be more confident down here at 222, maybe a good entry. Really below there, things get more problematic, but we'll deal with that when the time comes. We're not going to deal with that now. Okay. All right, back to the chat. Dollar cost average in, dollar cost average out. Greg, exactly. A man of my own mind. AVAX 250 possible? We'll see. I can look at the chart then. 0.1 Bitcoin in the future will be a lot. I have seen in my time things that were small amounts go to big amounts. That's why, pro tip for anyone new here or doesn't know this, do not tell people how much Bitcoin you have. Do not tell people your crypto holdings. When I started, I didn't have a lot of money, stacked as hard as I could. That amount wasn't a big deal. Like, I could have been like, I have this much in it, right? But that amount has become a very different amount now. Mostly just through the price appreciating. If you kind of extend that thinking into the future, there will come a point where that amount will make you a target. People will have a monetary incentive to maybe do bad things to you. And I think more importantly than even that is, there's no benefit. What do you get out of telling people your holdings? Nothing. Oh, you impressed someone? They don't give a shit. They'll probably hate you. They'll probably just hate you because like, oh, that guy has something I don't. So now I'm just mad. Don't do it. That's between you and God and maybe the tax man. That's about it. Corn settling here. I think it's looking for the move today. I think Friday is the perfect day to hit this number. What's up, Larry K? Just tuning in. Not sure if you've covered it. Sailor just lost vote. Oh, no, I don't know. Is that true? Chat, can we confirm that? Larry K says that Sailor lost voting control of MicroStrategy. That would be not great. I certainly wouldn't be like, oh no, doom, bull market's over or anything. That would not be great though. But I kind of don't think that is true. We're going to need chat to confirm that. Can someone Google for me? This sell-off yesterday was virtually perfectly timed with whatever hedge fundy people said that they were short on it. They said that they were short. Or that they had a short position or something. Source, can we get the sauce? What kind of sauce is that? Is Alfredo? Margarita? Yeah. We'll see. This is the value of having 1,000+ people listening to me right now. We can fact check. We can dive in. In a bull run especially, there is a lot of incentive to put out bad or fake news because people's emotions and energy are so high that they're very willing to click, to look, to basically watch ads and generate money. And there's no repercussion. There's no repercussion for the people lying. People do not hold these news sites accountable at all. I'm not even talking mainstream media. I'm talking like crypto news. Crypto news people are not held accountable at all. People get mad at influencers for like accepting money to like shill a coin, right? And I don't do that. But no one gets mad at, I don't know, Cointelegraph for doing it. And that's their whole business model. That's all they do. It's just paid articles. It's like paid by the things that I wouldn't accept. No one holds them accountable. So it's wild. You got to be careful. Every time you read something crazy, you got to take a second, look for the source, look it up. Don't react right away. I promise. By the time you hear about something, especially that big, you have already seen the move. You're hearing about it because someone wants you to hear about it. And always try to think, what is it they're trying to get you to do? Typically, these articles will be like, Floki Inu is the best coin ever, and I don't know, like Trump got a tattoo of him on his face, and like what are they trying to get you to do? They're trying to get you to buy it. Always be aware of the intent behind the messages. There are very few sources that is not their primary objective. One of them would be right here. Right here. That's not our primary objective. All right, we're going to look at XRP. Yeah, it's true. Is it true? Is it not true? It's okay if it's true. Just make sure you don't react right away. Make sure you look into it. It's true about Sailor. Interesting. Whatever. I don't. What are the implications of that? I don't know. I wonder how he lost it though. People are saying false. People are saying true. What's the sauce? You know, I really wanted to just like continue the content here, but here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go on Twitter, and I'm gonna go to Michael Saylor's. I'm gonna go to Michael Saylor, and I'm gonna see. Or did he post anything about this? Go right to the source. Posting about Bitcoin. Posting about Bitcoin 4 hours ago. I kind of think Sailor would say something, don't you think? Why do you think that why would you do that? If I was a shareholder, I don't know. If I had like the ability to do that. Look at the stock price. He's pumped it like crazy. What more could you ask for? You'll DM me the sauce? You can DM me the sauce, baby. Sounds like someone shorting. Absolutely, Marty. Gary Gensler fudding from the toilet. We all do our best work from the toilet. Fabio Tezos today? Yeah, bro. I know. I'll pull it up. We're not there yet. We got a little bit of a list, but I'll pull it up for you. There it is. Tezos. Ooh, that does look spicy. We still haven't gone through XRP. Should we do XRP or XLM or ADA next? What do you put it in chat? 38%. That's about what I expected. Damn, we got a lot of G's here from 2017 or before. 12% from this year. Interesting. XLM. No way that's true. I don't know. Sailor lose controlling share MSTR. I Googled it. Protos.com says 2 days ago that happened. Oh, has lost voting control probably due to dilution, meaning he can't, without any other shares, do something. That's like different than what I was assuming, which is like someone else has control. I doubt it. He went under 50%. I guarantee, though, he's probably like 49%. There's at least 1% voters who are going to be like, keep doing what you're doing, Sailor. What application is this, Ariel? This is TradingView. I think the link is in the video description below. TradingView is free. I'll put it in the chat. TradingView is the charting software. It's free. It has premium, but if you're new, just start with the free one. Use my link, though, please. Help support the channel. Use the free one when you're new. And if you guys want to upgrade or renew, wait until Monday. They're going to have their Black Friday sale. ADA. ADA is winning. ADA might have won that. XRP, XLM, ADA, XRP. There are a lot more ADAs. Taylor will be fine. Yeah, he will be. Yeah, wait 2 days for the Black Friday. I'll do XRP quick because I know that the update's going to be pretty quick here. It's going to be pretty quick. Let's do this. I got to make my visibility better here. Done. XLM poll, Sol ADA, XLM. You know, no one really ever talked about XLM since like 2017. People were really into XRP the whole time. Very few people talked about XLM. All right, XRP. We probably, as soon as this goes over $1.50, $1.60, I'm going to have to like start a new chart and get off Binance because we have more history back here. The history of XRP actually looks like this. It's like that. Something like that. So once we get above here, I'm going to have to switch back to like Coinbase or whatever's chart. We looked at this yesterday and the price was at, what, $1? Right about here. $1.09. People were a little worried, like, what about XRP? What's going to happen? And I did my level-headed Tom Crown analysis of lows are coming up, highs are coming down. What do we have here? You have a bull flag. I don't usually or typically trust them in crypto. I think even for this one I said, though, but the market's hot. A lot of the things that we've seen in the past over 2 years aren't going to be really at play anymore, or they're going to have changed. And maybe bull flags are one of them. TBD. Not quite there yet. In addition to that analysis, I said, from this bull flag, we really have two targets. We could be looking down to previous major resistance. Let me go back to that month. Say Bitcoin took a dump yesterday, jumped down to like 80K. XRP likely move into it 94 cents. It may even go as low as 70. This is the last major resistance. Has not been tested as support. On the other hand, the market stays hot. XRP is going to look to move to the next upside resistance, which is at $1.66. It's currently at 144, and 160 does look very juicy now. That looks very nice. Let me look at this on a longer time frame. That week rolled over and just Kamehameha, didn't it? Kamehameha. Let me see. 200 week, got a very strong moving average set up there. That is the springboard on the week. That's nice. That's very nice. Let's see. Break a structure on the last week. Go down to the day here. I'm looking, but I don't even know what I'm looking for. There's very little that's going to convince me like much about this chart until it hits a major resistance or major support. The market's too hot. RSI all the way up, staying up. Beautiful. VWAP just rolling over now out of a higher high, getting a little green pinch on momentum all the way up here. Like, damn. This is, I think it's moving to 160. What was it? 160. 160. Not saying that that's the top. Not saying it can't go higher. The previous high from 21 at $2. Break $2 and that gets very, very spicy. I think if you break $2, you obviously have the previous all-time high, which is at like 3 something. But if you get up there, if you break 2, I think 5 is very in the picture. Very much in the picture. Let me see. This is the full history. Here we go. 331. Same thing. Beautiful. What would be really solid, but we can never really depend on in the bull run, is a move to 160, then back to, I'll say, $1. Back test that descending trend line, and then you can really shoot. In a bull run, things can just do this. They can just go up. They leave you out. This is the hardest trading that there is. Absolutely the hardest. This chart looks great though, man. It finally has broken that descending trend line. Fingers crossed that Litecoin, which has the exact same chart in my opinion, fingers crossed that Litecoin can follow suit. But I would be looking upwards right now. Shorting this, I think, is a very bad idea, at least until 160. Still don't necessarily think that's a good idea. But at 160, we can talk. Until then, you're just making that leg up, likely with tiny little drips along the way. Here we go, XRP, done. Peep USDT, what is Peep? You mean to look at it or Peep USDT? Bull market trading is the hardest. Evan, is this your first bull market, my friend? Yeah, bro. Yeah, dude, bear market's easy as shit. You just like do nothing. You short every high. You do nothing. You make money at work. You DCA into stuff. You just do nothing. Bull runs are where you get wrecked. I feel like you've maybe exposed yourself here as your first bull run. Bull run is where everyone loses their money. Everyone makes money in a bull run. Everyone makes money for a while. But the greed keeps building. They keep going in harder. They chase pumps, and eventually they all get wrecked. Very few people make it out of a bull run profitable in crypto. Very few. Those who do, typically, so my bar for profitability is higher than what you might expect. My bar for profitability is beating just doing nothing in Bitcoin. Having just sat in Bitcoin, the lowest risk, and done nothing. So almost everyone gets out, well, more than you'd expect to get out with a positive P&L in dollars. But almost everyone ends up having been better off just not doing anything sitting in Bitcoin. If you're using leverage, a whole nother world. Likely to get wrecked. I see you, bro. I see you. No shame in holding. No shame in anything, dude. No shame in anything you decide. Do I think XRP has big potential? Drew Jordy. XRP is not my favorite coin. But it is also not my least favorite coin. It doesn't fit what I like about crypto, and that's okay. Not many things do. Potential is a hard thing to judge. It's been around a long time. It's not dead. It still has a following, a community. We're likely to see that community grow here as it's rallying. That tends to be the case. Depends what is potential to you. XRP market cap. All right. Let me rewind here to XRP market cap. I don't think I've ever looked at that in my entire life. Is it at all-time high? Nah, okay. This is damn close. I am close. Pulling kind of a Solana move here. Likely to break its all-time high in market cap before its all-time high in price. Deceptive. Very close. You know what? Actually, Baptist, you just reminded me. We should use this more in our analysis. We use a lot of things many people don't. Bitcoin pairs, etc. We should use market cap in our analysis. Because while we might not be able to know exactly what price it is when it hits, let's say, 89.3 billion, we do know that logically there's resistance there. So we could set an alert here. And when it hits, we could say, all right, where are we in price? Like, is this a good spot to close positions? Even if it's not necessarily at a horizontal. That's kind of cool. This chart just looks like XRP, but a little more bullish. Nothing really crazy different. XRP BTC. Yeah, we'll look. I was moving on. You brought me back. You brought me right back in. Appreciate you. I mean, shit's bullish, man. I don't expect it to stop until at least 160. And again, not necessarily calling the top forever or something. Just maybe you see another flag. Maybe you see your first retracement. Many possibilities. You got to take this one day at a time. Sexy chart. Yeah, it is. All right, you guys bringing me back. Bringing me back. Cardano. Yeah, you're right. We're going to do Cardano first. You got into XRP at 58 cents. Right now, it's looking really good for you. You don't know much about crypto other than what I learned from you or your cousin, Drew. Whatever you're doing, man, you got it in at 58 cents. It's at $1.50. You're up 3x almost. Like, whatever you're doing, it's working. Don't think that like you need to change what you're doing. You don't need to optimize. The more you try to optimize, the more difficult you make it for yourself. And honestly, the more kind of like opportunities to get wrecked you present. What do you think about CHILLGUY? I've never looked at it. I did tweet today the CHILLGUY image with sunglasses for F-Boy Friday. But I don't own any CHILLGUY. It's not a promotion. I just noticed everybody else was posting this little pic. So I decided, yeah, why not? I'm a chill guy. Let me see. I'm a chill guy. This is actually a really good F-Boy Friday post. You made mistakes in the past, but you're making up for them now, and I'm proud of you. That's right. It's true, fam. Proud of each and every one of you. We've all made mistakes in the past. That's what F-Boy Friday is all about. It's about a commitment to a better future. Divorcing the old you for the new you. You can do it. ADA. Bitcoin pulling back? Nah, I don't know, man. I don't know. You guys get all amped up about every little red candle. Not really doing anything. It's not really doing much here. I mean, you move down to 98.2. It's not even 1%. Then you're like broken a low. We can look at structure change. But right now, it's low, lower, high, lower, low, higher. Or lower, high, higher, low, higher, high. Still higher, low. We got to break that. Even on a low time frame, this is trending up still. ADA. We got so many Cardano fans. It's a colorful indicator that you call use Frezzel. Frezzel, the colorful one, this one, or this one. Which one? This one or this one? ADA, baby. Who's an ADA fan? If you like ADA, if you're holding it, let me know in the chat. The middle one. Yes, that is Market Cipher. Here's your link. All of the links to everything I use is in the Discord, by the way, guys. And if you use any of the links in this video description, at the top of the channel, chat, or in the Discord, there's like dozens more. Any of them, you get into our private group in Discord. It's free. They are affiliate links. I do profit from them. I do make money. It's not a lot, but it's just a percent that the exchange or whatever would have taken anyway. And if you're going to sign up for these things, especially services, not exchanges, wait till Monday. I think there's also code Gobble. I think Market Cipher already has their code out for the Black Friday. There you go. That one you don't have to wait. Let's take a peek at ADA though. Vet. Look at that. Did we get any alerts while we were live? ADA. Peanut's getting wrecked, of course. OP. Algo. ADA. Okay. Not a lot. ADA is looking fire. ADA is looking fire. I would caution against FOMOing a buy right now. Anything can work out, right? But ADA has made a very big move. For how big its market cap is, it's made a very big move. 200% since November 5th. 200% in 17 days. While that doesn't guarantee the top is in or something, you are right up against what I was considering pretty much the only major resistance that Cardano has. On the month, this is the most important chart. The monthly is the most important chart. From the all-time high, you fell down right here in February, March of 22. This was your first fake out, or really your only, but your first fake out. This is called an order block. You can think of this as people bought thinking it would bounce. It didn't. They got trapped. Price went down lower. So logically, and just how we see it work, is those people want to get out of their underwater position. And so they look to sell when price returns there. Right in this zone, $1 to $1.14. And that is what we call resistance. Basically trapped orders. Outside of that, this was very inefficiently moving down. We saw some big moves up. If it can get past 114, I think it's going right back to its all-time high. This, though, is the boss. This is the boss zone. Buying right now is a higher risk play. Could work. In the bull run, I mean, this is the time to try it if you have to try it. If you can't stop yourself, I mean, at least the market's bullish, right? You're not doing this in a bear market. But you're right at resistance, and we don't typically do that on this channel. What we would prefer to do is to wait for the market to correct. That may give us 65 cents. A lot of these orders have been really low, and a lot of people are probably rolling their eyes going, yeah, right, dude. You'd be surprised. If Bitcoin pulls back, or when it does, really wherever that is, alts are going to take a bigger dive, and they're going to typically return to these big important levels. We could see this. We could see something like this. There's many outcomes. If you didn't get into ADA during any of this time, maybe that's your only option. Or maybe your other option is to wait, look for something else, huh? We did have a sick long at the bottom here on this channel earlier this month. 32 cents. Of course, we look to close it. But here you are. In some ways, I would almost like wait till it broke 114. But even then, that's risky. It's a difficult question to answer. It's like, where do I enter? In a bull run, there just aren't going to be entries. The entries will be very scary. It'll be at the times you think the run's over. Moon math here quick. 16 bucks. It's possible. VeChain, 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 Adam. Okay, I'll look at VeChain. 16 bucks possible. This is not on the table until the all-time high is broken. However, with these really big market caps, I like to just, honestly, I like to look at these ascending trends. From where price is right now, that would give us like a $6.50 ADA. If that comes, I'm going to take some profit. Not going to sell my whole position. I'll probably layer it up 10, 15. Not out of the realm of possibility though. Either way, congrats to the Cardano holders. Mine's been staked for like 5 years, forever. Been forever, man. There we go. Bitcoin's still hanging out. What do we want to do next? I saw VeChain, VeChain, VeChain. Sure, I'll pull it up. I don't like to reward spamming, but oh well. Let's check in on the trade. I'm going to take a break from just banging out charts here. Tezos meta, we already got it pulled up. Tezos is probably the next one I was going to do. It was next on the queue. Other than XLM. But we can do XLM after. See, let me just clean this up. This is an old chart, man. Tezos has been hurting. It's been hurting. Before I jump into this, what's good, man? The only Tezos because it was one of the only ones on Robinhood. You're not alone. Think about it. Did you miss Sol action chart? Yeah, we did Sol a while ago. We did Sol more towards the start. I don't know if Pickle's still timestamping, but might be able to get them timestamps. Check it out after the live. Actually, Pickle, are you timestamping? Because I think I could just edit this and put them in now. Today, my guy. Shout out to Pickle. The DCAing Pickle. Not only is his name amazing, not only is he my right-hand man, but he's already got the timestamps going. Let's go. Let's go. We're gonna do Tezos. If you could, guys, could you tickle the like buttons? Could you subscribe? I know I missed some subscribers. Andres, 𝐒𝐻𝐻. Let me see. Let me replay these. Andres, anyone out there, if you subscribe, your name will pop up here. I don't have my headphones on, so I didn't hear it, but I'll try to shout you out. Synergy CK, Michael BKR, Shazad, Jeremy, Eduardo, Lee Meng, Burham, Geen. This number will roll over in real time too. It's very exciting. The more you engage with the live, the more people YouTube will show this to. Helps us grow. It's very important. I just added the timestamps. So if you want to go back and watch, you might be able to. I don't know if you can click them right now while it's live. I've never tried. Give it a shot. How long do you think it'll be till Bitcoin reaches 100? For every purpose, it's already at 100. It was like 0.3, 0.4% away last night. That's a rounding error. In fact, it's not even just a rounding error. It literally hit 100K on some exchanges. .58? 0.58. I don't know why I thought it was under 0.5. 0.58. That's the same number. Like, if you had one Bitcoin, you'd have had $500 more dollars if it hit 100K versus earlier. That's just nothing. Nothing. Let's dump the noobs, Nathalie Williams. Nathalie, you're savage, dude. You're savage. Doge Batman. What's up, Jules? 𝐅𝐫𝐞𝐞 have the same technical setup as ADA. A lot of things do. Did I see your super chat? 𝐒𝐈𝐆𝐍. No, I did not. I did not see it. What did you do? I missed a bunch of these. Caspa chart. Probably end up looking at Caspa. Carlos wanted to look at HNT. Campbell asked about ℏ like an hour ago. My bad. Got a lot going on. What do you buy right now? Ain't that the $1 million question? It's a question everybody wants to know. If I had the answer, I would be the richest person in the world. I've been on this channel, I've been live 5 years, been telling you all 5 years to buy Bitcoin. Not financial advice. 15% of us started this year. Wow. That is not what I expected. I'm going to end this poll. How about this? How about you guys answer the question? What coin would you recommend for a new person to buy right now? I'm going to start off with Bitcoin at the top. That's my pick. We're just going to go with the ones you guys have been wanting to hear about. ADA, XRP. What's another one? We'll throw like a meme in there. Adam actually broke out. I got an alert. Whole Eth. I guess Ethereum. Throw Ethereum on there. Doge. Ooh, Doge. I like Doge. How about I do like Bitcoin Doge? We'll do 2 for these. We'll do XRP, XLM. We'll do... Oh, what else we'll do? What's the last one? We gotta get like a meme one. We'll do like Pepe, Floki. Then we'll just do like meme coin. There you go. Let's do like ISO. What should we queue or what should we pair with ADA? Maybe just a high cap. Yo, keep spamming it. This is good stuff. Keep spamming, bros. Mods, let everybody spam. Sol, BMB, Tron, Avalanche. Okay, Avalanche is a big cap. We'll do AVAX. ℏ, Jasmine. Snack. Get to snack. Arrow, XRP, VeChain. Alright, let's just... We'll do a lot of the ones that we've looked at today. Here we go. This is a cool poll. We should do more of these. Kind of, there we go. There we go. That's a good poll. I like this because it splits y'all into camps. There you are. Vote in that poll, baby. I know what I'm voting for. Broccoli. Michuana's voting for broccoli. Hell yeah. Hells to the yeah. Kronos, Cody. Chainlink. I forgot about Link. That should have been with ADA. Crap. Oh well. Oh well. Let's look at Tezos. Let's look at the Tezos quick here, because I know I owe it to you guys. Here's my bad news about Tezos. Tezos. Beautiful rally. Brought itself out of Valhalla, man. Brought itself right out of the gates of hell here. Nice. Here's the only issue I'm seeing. You've returned to 140. Even before this rally, we were talking about this setup. So this setup is not bad. This is not a bad setup. This is not a really bearish setup. This looks like Link before Link broke out. I'll show you. On the month, I don't think you can see it as well. bring it down to the week. Here we go. This reminds me of Link back here in 22, 23. Basically what you had was a flat top, wherever you want to identify that flat top. It could be anywhere from like $8.50 to like $10, or $8.50 to $9.50, doesn't matter. You had your lows falling. This looks very similar to me. You have another test up here at 140 on Tezos. You want the hopium? Look what happened. I mean, it did go up. It rallied pretty significantly from there, 150%. This pattern is not bad, but the bad news is that you reached up to 140 and you didn't break it. That's okay. Here's what I'm seeing. Descending lows, flat top. This resistance is being weakened. Whenever it breaks 140, I think it's very likely to move to 350 pretty quick. What I'd be looking for in the shorter term for Tezos, obviously a break of 140. Obviously. Oh, it already did it. Come on. Kind of nuggets. Damn it. Fabio, had I looked at this when you asked me, we would have caught this, man. We would have caught this. It's on a B. What I would be looking for is a test of $1. Hey, that might not be off the table. Sucks it already happened. Might not be off the table, though. You haven't broken out. I'd be looking for like $1 for entry. The stop loss is going to be difficult. All stop losses are going to be difficult. To be honest, I would probably only play this one spot, and I wouldn't use a stop loss. I'd look at $1. I would aim higher. Let's do this. Maybe $3. Still get a good risk to reward here. Something like this. Still get 5 to 1. Still 4 to 1 all the way down here, half, 50%. I would probably only play Tezos this way. Look for that $1. Look for a breakout. I think I would trim the position at 173 when it came, and if it got to 350, I'd trim it some more. Hold on to whatever after. That's nice. While you didn't fully hit this, that retracement to $1 is so good if you can just break past this high. That is really setting sights right into this order block. You might see something like that. Beautiful. Beautiful. You are back. What's up, the A? Back from yesterday. Zachary Martin, slick shades today. Is it though? There's the same shade, Zachary. Appreciate you though. What's up, the great? What is solo? We didn't watch it. I know. I know, man. Chart chill guy. All right. All right. Chill guy. Since Bitcoin is being boring AF. By the way, FEMX just listed chill guy spot. I haven't bought any. I'm probably not gonna buy any. But if you want to trade it, use my link on FEMX. They got a spot market for it. Let's see. Chill guy. This is not going to have a lot of TA because there just isn't a lot of history. These are perps. I wonder if MXC listed spot first. Huh. They don't have... maybe they do. There we go. Just a chill guy. Chill guy... Dude, I am the chill guy. I'm surprised that chill guy doesn't have sunglasses on, because that is me. This is still not a lot of history. Probably not enough to work with. Looks like everybody listed it and it dumped. Radium, chill guy, Soul. Chill guy, USD. Chill guy. God, I hate all these contract things. It's good. Radium, Solana, just a chill guy wrapped on Soul. What's the like CA? Does anybody have the contract address for chill guy? I think if I copy and paste it into here, it'll bring that one up. Oh yeah, you probably won't be able to. I'm just gonna look it up for you. You won't be able to. YouTube will hold the comment. All right, don't let me down here. Don't let me down, CoinGecko. Where's the contract address? Fartcoin. God, what are we doing? Chill guy to Canadian dollar. Yo, markets. Radium. Character radium. Okay, don't let me enter Radium. Sure. Is this the contract address? Mint equals. Let's see. Damn, I was so close. I might have to give up on that. I might have to just work with what we got. Disclaimer, blah, 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 blah. I agree to these terms. Okay. I hate when you click on these and Radium just brings you to freaking the blank page. Info. High chains. API ID, is that it? API ID. Chill guy. Ooh, wait. That didn't work. I hate these freaking things, man. Draw more Jesus coin, get it, bud. It's a meme. It's going to die in a couple of days. Yeah, I mean, I don't disagree, man. In no way am I promoting this or endorsing it. I was just hoping to get the full history versus a few hours listed somewhere. Why don't they have this? Why does CoinGecko not have like the contract address? Oh, there it is. Maybe I'm just stupid. Maybe I'm stupid. Chill guy. There it is. Hey, that's all I wanted. That's all I wanted. Does that price match up 37? Yeah. They do. I know. I just found it. So here's your problem. You just have green candles. There's not a lot here to work with. Interesting and probably not interesting at all. Probably not good. Here's when everyone listed it, basically. Actually, here's really when everyone listed it. We can go down to a lower time frame, look for anything. Almost nothing here. There's almost nothing. There's very little we can do. We can use our fib tool and connect the low to the high. This is what you should do with altcoins. Even if, you know, if there's not a lot of history. Connect the low to the high with the fib. Look at your 618. Boom. Your 618 here has some confluence. I wouldn't be confident in that confluence. Has some confluence simply because that's the only real part where it traded sideways again. A little bit happened here at the 0.5. This is only up. So you gotta zoom in. This is all you can do. And this is very low confidence TA. This is not the same as charting something as with the big market cap. What's your highest daily close? Boom. Here you go. And then you go down to like the hour. There it is. We could do this. There you go. It's currently at 42 cents. Break your high. Maybe you're looking for $1.21. Only if you break your high. Keep doing this. I don't know if you sell off, you test 21 cents. If you lose that, you're just pretty cooked. I'll set an alert for this at its all-time high, but that's all you can do. There's nothing else. You could zoom in here and be like, on the 1 minute, there's bearish divergence, and there's that. They're like, you're just giving yourself a headache, dude. You're not gonna get anywhere with that. Let's go, Bitcoin. Maybe finally doing something. Slowly. How long have we been live for? Longer than I think. 4 minutes on this hourly close. It's 2 p.m. We went, this is 2.5 hours already. Interesting. It's just a chill guy, man. Just a chill guy. I still think this is funny. Happy F Boy Friday to everybody, by the way. Oh yeah, some people... I posted about a coin called Bell's Coin yesterday. People were like, Tom Crown chilling? Tom Crown chilling? You're never shill anything. What are you doing? I bought this coin with my own money. Nobody paid me. Here you go. Nobody paid me. Right there. I bought it. My own money. There's my position. Being transparent. Bought it with my own money. Nobody paid me. Nobody did anything. No one told me to tweet that. I tweeted it because it's proof of work. It's just a Dogecoin fork. Or no. Dogecoin forked from it. Proof of work. Decentralized. Whatever. It's really not listed anywhere. I think it's on XC. But no, I was not paid. I ain't never going to take money to tell you guys anything like that. Don't you worry. Filecoin. Chart Doge. Let me see. Someone to look at Tesla a long time ago. Hours ago. That Tesla trade, man. How much shit did I get for this? After that kind of failed demonstration, I was like, yeah, man, I'm long. How much shit did I get for this? Who could have known? The chart knew. That's the answer. Still looking for like 386 on the Tesaloon. Let's see. What's going on with your dome piece? What's that going on with your dome piece? I don't know. What's going on with my dome piece? What's wrong? Something wrong with my dome? You guys say wild stuff. Chart Doge. I don't think Doge has done anything, but I still have good things to say. I've noticed that if my neck starts hurting and I take off these headphones, my neck feels better. It's starting to hurt. You know, here you are, Doge. On the day. People are worried. Look at what you're doing. Ready? Ready? Where did these go? Different chart. Ready? You're ready. But are you really ready? Here you go. Look at this. Look at this chart on the day. XRP. Look at this. All right. XRP. You guys were asking me, what about XRP the other day? This is what I said. Ready? Here's Doge. There you go. That's it. If I was looking for an entry, I'd try to get 28 cents. If that doesn't come, you're going back to the all-time high. That's it. Doge is ready. We've nailed it again. 2 cycles in a row. Doge is all bitch. I love Doge. 2 cycles in a row. We closed a sick trade into March even on it. Opened it again at 10 cents looking for that all-time high. In reality though, this is what I think. If you didn't know, if you're just tuning in, you've never seen this channel. If you weren't aware, this is the home of the original Doge bulls. Way before Elon, way before Dogecoin, whatever, man. This is what I really think. We'll see. This might be hopium, might not be. But I have very, very strong confidence it goes back to its all-time high this cycle. 76 cents. I think that's not even a big ask. The logic, because you're probably thinking, oh, you're just being emotional, right? Here's the logic. Doge has already cleared all of its resistance. The only thing here is the all-time high. Provided you don't sell off in the next 8 days back below 20, 28 cents. You're just going to the all-time high. I don't see how it does anything else. That's it. That's all we got. What's up, J Crypto? YouTube famous King of Kings. Protector of the crypto realm. First of his name. Crown Daddy Crown. You added to that. I like it. Crown Daddy Crown. How you doing, Josh? Love you, brother. Thank you for the 10. Crypto Chief 15 minutes ago. Link Vet. Let's look at Link Vet. Doge, on top of breaking its USD resistance, Doge broke its Bitcoin resistance. That's all I need. That's all I need to be bullish on Doge. All I needed. That's it. Send it. Sent it. GG. Thanks for playing. Pack it up. Is this the old one? Watch this. About to blow your mind. Razin. Subscribe. What's up, man? Moonier. How you doing? Welcome. Hopefully this still has it on here. Boom. I'm gonna blow your mind, bro. Here you go. December 2020. This was actually placed long before that. We watched it trickle down to the entry. December 2020. Boom. This is my greatest achievement. This is my greatest live streamed thing. Doge versus Bitcoin. So not even just against dollars, against Bitcoin. 8,400%. December 20 of 2020. Where was price? You'll never guess. Boom. There you go. spoon-fed the Doge 0.0042 cents. Before Elon. Before whatever. Nailed it. I nailed it. Fingers crossed it happens again. I wouldn't expect that exact same move. But heck, I could see $4. You gotta see the all-time high break first. Dub, dub, dub. What's up, J-Teens? I don't know what dub is, man. Name of the song? I don't know. It's on Pretzel Player. It's no copyright. Let me see if I can catch it quick. This is the Flight Academy. I don't know what just played, though. It doesn't have, like, a thing like that for me to see. It's like one of those players where it plays, like, randomly the songs. Check out dub. All right, let me see. Are any of these people that are spamming dub? First of all, did any of them even subscribe? I doubt it. I doubt it. I don't see any of their names popping up. Making big asks. Take your music. Thank you, my friend. Let's see. Channel activity. First time this guy's ever been in the channel. Just says dub. Let's see. Where's the other guy? There's another one. Dub. First time in the channel. Just says dub. Very real. Very convincing. There's one more at least. Dub. Very real. Very convincing. Very not a bot. Trades. These people didn't even subscribe. Well, that's just disrespectful. You can come spam my chat with BS. You're not even going to give me a subscribe. Probably didn't even like the stream. None of you have ever been here before. Let's see, Matthew. You ever been here before? So strange. And they're going to be like, we're not bots. We're real people. Sure, bud. Sure. Yeah, none of you have ever been here before. Y'all just randomly decided to tune in today. Not even a single one of you ever send a message here. I don't see any of your names popping up subscribing. This is actually fun. Let's keep doing this. Bitcoin's going to all-time high. It's cruising. I got time. Dub. Let me see. Where are the other ones? Bot-like behavior. Gotta go. Bye. See you, Phil Judabus. Love you, bro. Where are the other ones? Where are the other ones? Just subscribed. What's up, JN? We're just calling out some bots here. Let them, well, don't let them spam. Here's the first one. Here's the first one. Do not ban this one. Do not ban 𝐒𝐫𝐿. This person has actually sent a message. You're the only one, dude, that I've looked at so far. Mods, don't time them out or don't hide them unless you check to see if they sent a message before. You're a real boy? We'll see. We'll see. Where are these? It's fake. This is are you a real boy, BMX? Let's see. Are you a real boy? You're not a real boy. The lie detector test has determined you are not a real boy. I'm sorry. Been on here in a few years, though. It should still have the messages, even if it was a long time ago. Great example. I love to take the time to call out shit while I'm live, especially when I'm waiting for Bitcoin to hit 100K. When you see projects being promoted that way, when you see a bunch of bots. Remember the conversation earlier? You read a news article. What is the news article? What is it doing? What is the goal? What is the intention of that news article? What is the goal? What is the intention of bots? It's to get you to buy it. Here's the thing. If it had merit, would it need bots? If it had value, wouldn't it have real people? I don't know, man. We're just trying to help. Sean, where were you? Why is this the first time you're here? Shady. If a project is new, especially, and they're spending their money through shady tactics that scammers use, probably not a good start. Probably not a great look. Here we go. 99.3 coming in. Approaching last night's all-time high. We don't even have time to deal with them. We don't have time to care, man. 99.3 and counting. Let's go. Play the lava pump song. Dude, it's hard to play songs on this. I don't know if I can even like search them individually. Let me see. Search. We'll play the floor is lava. Watch out. I won't. I'll be honest though. Market likes to dump when I play this. There's 7 songs named Lava. Okay. Floor is lava. There we go. Watch out. Where's the troll emoji? We look at ETH. Bitcoin's on the cusp of a new all-time high. Long lava. On the cusp of an all-time high. I don't know if I can even turn my eyes. I can't bring it off the screen while it's doing this. I'll put it up here. I didn't look at Ethereum, but I'll pull it up. $99.3 thousand US, baby. Let's go. Ethereum, 3,300. If you would have told me Bitcoin would be at 100K and Ethereum would be at 3K, I would have probably laughed at you. I'm like, yeah, right. Not that much going on. Lower high on Ethereum. How's your RSI? Yeah, lower high on RSI. That could be worse. Watch out. 99.3, baby. It's overdue. I know. It's 4 years overdue. Ethereum not looking the greatest on the day. I think that's kind of logical. Bitcoin pushing higher here. Ethereum has not been weathering these pushes well. However, Ethereum on the week is looking to close a strong week here. Even with Bitcoin pushing up, very likely closes above 3,100, 3,200. It's a nice order block, a nice supportive, bullish order block that can paint below it. Want to see a trade above 3,500 before I do or care at all. It's not really exciting until it does. Here we go, Bitcoin. $99,372. Just $130 away from its previous all-time high last night. Let's go. Let's go. Smash the likes, bros. The more likes we get, the faster Bitcoin will break 100K. Let's go. I do want to check actually on this. I'm not looking away. Not looking away. That's not the right one. Not looking away, Bitcoin. Don't worry. I'm back. 99.3. Let's go. Oof. This is all I care about for Ethereum. This is all I'm watching. I don't like to see it under 0.333 right now. $99,300. Oh shit, my bad. This is Binance. I gotta go to Coinbase. Binance, looking at the Binance chart keeps screwing me up. Coinbase chart is the one you want. Oh, are we at all-time high? We're at all-time high on Coinbase. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. All-time high on Coinbase. Binance has been lagging behind every single time we broke into an all-time high. So we're watching Coinbase. Let's go. That's an all-time high, baby. Let's go. We're not checking anything. Don't ask for anything. Don't super chat for anything. We're watching the corn. We are going to sit here and watch the corn at a digit. This is only the second time I've ever seen Bitcoin. Well, technically I've only seen it once. This will be only the second time I have ever seen this. I'm ready. My body's ready. My soul is ready. Are you ready? You should be ready by joining the crew. There we go. Someone just subscribed while I said it. What's up, Carlos Spicy Wiener? Great name, bro. Great name. New all-time high right here while live for Bitcoin. We're zooming in to get extra stressful. 0.03 away from 100,000 US dollars. Too much stress. Too many stressies. $101, $102. It's like hardly even a call. Beautiful. Run the stop. Send it, bro. Run the stops and send it. What's up, Bitcoin Mowgli? Daily is gorgeous. RSI is gorgeous. Money flow's gorgeous. VWAP's gorgeous. Momentum's gorgeous. RSI, I already said gorgeous. We'll look at it one more time. Gorgeous. Right here. Up and overbought. Let's go. Let's go. Bitcoin making history right now in front of us. We've been live for hours. I'm trying my best to hold out the energy. You can join us in the Discord tonight for some celebration. It's BYOB, bottles and beans, if you know what I mean. BYOB, open invite. 100K or not, we're still doing it. Doesn't matter. It's going to be a good time. What's up, Gustos? 247, I see you. Am I going to short from 100? Nah, dude. Nah. What's up? Came over from Jason Casper. He told me he wasn't going to stream on Fridays. I'm glad he streamed. Makes sense that he turned it off, though. I'm hyped about it. Hit it. Like, I'm hyped to hit 100K. Could happen right now, but honestly, I'm not going to hold my breath. Not going to hold my breath for it. This could take time. Burn this wall down. Overbought means FOMO. Overbought just means uptrend. Dub. There's some more dubbers. Another dubber who's never been here. Interesting. Very real. Very organic. What's up, Sophia's Life? I see you. Thanks for subscribing. Ah, quicker. It wasn't live. Got you. Got you. Bud over dub any day. Can someone reply, please? Anyone? BMX? No. Nobody can reply to you, bro. You are not blocked. No. Hold your breath. All right. All right, I don't want to do it anymore. I don't want to do it anymore. I was going to go for a minute, but yeah, screw it. I can hold my breath for a minute. Don't you worry. Breathe, bro. Thank you, Derek. Derek told me to breathe, so I had to. Maybe it was working. Oh, boys. This road to 100K took 4 more years than I expected it to. And now it's taken like 4 more days than I thought it would after we got there. Ain't that Bitcoin? We either rip AF after 100 or we get our first bear dip. Either way, 100 is not the top, I don't think. It's not the high for the cycle. Are we short? No, I'm not. You can. I'll tell you how to trade. If you do want to short, you should use my link. BYDFI, our new exchange partner. They're offering an absurd 15% bonus on deposits. They're not going to keep that. I promise you they're not going to keep that. That's absurd. They're just doing it because they're trying to get market share right now. Take advantage of it. I'm not sure if there's a lower limit, but I'm pretty sure there's no upper limit on where that goes. Why not place Solana on the vote? David Betts, crap. It was a while ago. I'll close it. It was a while ago. It was a while ago. I should have, though. You're right. Touche. Is there KYC? No. But I trust you all to follow the laws of your local jurisdictions. Your individuals. You're new here? Nah, don't be sorry, bro. Don't be sorry. If you're being cool, if you're chilling, don't be sorry. You're good. You think AVAX should hit $200 a cycle? We didn't even look at AVAX. Since Bitcoin has given us the tease again. Pull up AVAX. This song goes. This song slaps. I don't know how loud it is for you guys, but it slaps. That. Still waiting. Still waiting on AVAX. Good entry, 2370. Dude, we talked about that forever. Certainly wasn't the bottom. I guess 17 bucks was 17.30. climbing its way up. Looking for like 54 to 60 in the shorter term. Oh, look at that fire. Look at that fire. Straight up fire analysis. Looking for like 54 to 64. That's going to be your March earlier this year. That was your high. Likely to see some profit taking, some resistance there. You've got $100 above that and the all-time high 150. Break that, you can have some very silly targets. $200 though. I don't think that's absurd. I don't think that's absurd. You've got a lot of numbers to contend with before then. If shit hits the fan, it could go much higher. It's really nothing to do with AVAX specifically. Just same analysis. What we do. Has a very good confidence over the years. AVAX just moving slow. I mean, this chart looks strong. Low time frames, this looks strong. It's a good trade. Flag break. Shorter term, you might see like a return down here to this 36, 38. I wouldn't worry. I wouldn't be worried. It's like a Ritz Cheez-Its commercial sound. What's up, Grace? I see you out there. Keep subscribing, fam. 138,219. Let's get those numbers up. I don't know how many likes we have, but get those numbers up. Join the Discord. Sign up with the links in the video description below. Get access to our private group on Discord. I just got an alert for the corn. What alert was that? It's probably Binance. Was it Binance? Binance. Binance and Coinbase trading not exactly the same. Coinbase is up 1/3%. 996 versus 993. Coinbase has already broken the high from last night. Binance has not. This is why I watch Coinbase, not Binance, typically. There is a higher high, a new all-time high right here, right now. In real time, there's a new all-time high. Every price above this candle is an all-time high. 99,700, 0.3% away from 100K. And I am holding out, man. I'm holding out. We have streamed every day this week. We don't usually do that. That might continue, though. We'll see. Streamed every day this week. We've been live like 3 hours. We're going to have a little party in the Discord later tonight. We're usually live Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 1 p.m. East. If things get boring again, we'll probably go back to that schedule. At this point, it is like a stupid statement to say it's going to 100K. It's like, it's not stupid, but it's like, yeah, obviously it's at 100K. But it's probably going to go to 100K while we're live. I really want to be live for it. It's historic. I've only seen Bitcoin at a zero one time in my crypto career. I'm ready to see that next digit, man. I'm ready to see that next digit. I've been waiting. I've been patient. And you guys also know who have been here. That also means I got to follow through with my promise or my bet. I'm going to be getting a tattoo. I don't have any tattoos. At this point in my life, I never thought I would get any tattoos. Never had anything I believed in enough to put it on me permanently. 100K Bitcoin. Putting it on me, baby. Let's go. Married for life. Been adding zeros to my bank account. True that for us. Same. But not to the corn. You already watched Bitcoin break 100K in CAD. Yeah, but those are Canadian. Those are Canada dollars, man. Just sub. What's up, Giovanni? They're Canada dollars. Canada dollars. All right, it goes dollars. Then it goes Canada dollars. Then it goes didgeridoo dollars, which is the Australia dollars. I'm just kidding. I love you, Australia. Shout out to you. The Jewish eagle. What the hell is even that, man? What are you talking about? Canada dollars are monopoly money. To be fair, though, so are US dollars. It's all monopoly money, bro. The only not monopoly money is right here in front of you. It's about to be worth 100,000 US monopoly dollars. What's up, 𝐒𝐈𝐆𝐍? Welcome. Welcome to the fray. I did close some of my long. I closed a little more. I don't know. Something just told me to do it. It wasn't the right choice, obviously, because it went higher. Did close a little bit more of this long. I still have 20,000 open on it. It's a 10x, $20,000 position. So we've gone from negative 1,000 roughly to 3,400 realized, 5,200 unrealized. So up just under 9K. Let's go. Let us go. Where are the other ones? I 𝐒𝐵𝐿onged longed the top for you guys earlier this week because I started working with BDFI, the exchange. 𝐂𝐚𝐫𝐭. Let me open that one. I didn't have a lot of money on it, so because I just started. I'm not logged in. Son of a bee. Hold up. Logging in. Oh my God, Bitcoin. It's like Bitcoin doesn't want to go to 100 while anyone is streaming. People keep making these 100K things and it just like goes a little higher. It's like, nah. Nah. Now we're sitting here streaming. It's like, nah. Bitcoin likes to be watched, but it's very shy. That's what I like to say. On BYDFI, our new exchange partner, I opened this long 𝐂𝐴 top. Look at this entry. 90, where is it? 93,250. Opened it 𝐂𝐴 top with you guys. Somehow now in profit 64%. Let's go. I've almost doubled this account already. That's funny. In a bull run, man. Only in a bull run. You bitch. You bitch, Bitcoin. You absolute, complete bitch. Go to 100,000. Do it. I have watched you. I've streamed you live for almost 6 years. Do it. You owe me. Now watch it just freaking doom dump because I said that. Face tattoo? Of course, bro. Right here. Right here. I'm just going to have Bitcoin written across my forehead in bold black letters. Litecoin tattoo? No. Litecoin. All right, I'll make the same bet. I'll get a Litecoin tattoo when Litecoin hits 100,000. I don't think I ever got collect on that one. Hitting 100K with the man. Good to be here. Blue Mountain Fire. Cheers. Good times. Good times, fam. Where do I trade on, Tim? BYDFI. No KYC, but I expect you guys to follow the rules. I don't know where you live. 15% bonus on your deposit. It's a sweet deal they're doing. Probably for our like cooperation. They want to swoop up some market share. They're not going to keep doing that forever, so you should sign up. If you do, you'll get into our private group in Discord, so good stuff. You got the sauce, Crimson? I got your message on Twitter. I just saw it. Good stuff, but know that there is always risk on centralized exchanges. Always risk. Doesn't matter what it is. Know those risks. Don't hold all your coins on a centralized exchange. Just put what you're trading. That's why I didn't have a lot to open that trade when we started. What else have we got to open? I know I have at least one more long open. Let me see. Got at least one more long open on one of these things. Let me find it. Well, sometimes when I look away, Bitcoin moves. Bitcoin, don't you let me down, man. Don't let me down. I mean, I have no doubt it's going to go to 100K, but don't let me down by not going to 100K while I'm live. I have put in almost 6 years of work full time on this. Do not take this from me. Do not take this from me. Here we go. I got one more. Weeks. This one's one of my better entries too. 64.8. Let's go. 288% ROI. $760 gain. I mean, you add them all together and it's over 10 grand, but bah. It's not my greatest trade ever. Not my worst trade, but not my greatest trade. Marks, I did not see that. It was 45 minutes ago. Thanks for all your wisdom. Thank you for your wisdom. I appreciate every single person who's here. Love all of you. Do you think it's safe to hold Bitcoin on Coinbase? No. Safer than other places. But no, dude. The only safe place for your corn is in your own wallet. Your own hardware wallet that's secured properly after you know what you're doing, after you know how to do it. Do not keep it. Do not hold somewhere else. They're not your coins. People think it's kind of like a joke or a cliche. Not your keys, not your coins. No, literally, not your keys, not your coins. You're holding 500K on Coinbase? That's fine, bro. I mean, if that's like not a big deal to you, whatever. $50 might be a big deal to someone in this chat. Do not keep things on exchange that if you lose it, you will be wrecked. Because there's always a chance with everywhere. Something might happen. Always a chance. We need Casper live. I love that, man. He's not working on Fridays, he said. Wendy's combo. Ooh, God. Do not keep all of your Wendy's combos on exchange. Keep them in your stomach. Literally have the... Yeah, dude. Quicker. There you are. You have the letter from Celsius to prove it. This must not be live, 𝐂𝐽. Why is that, bro? I mean, do you know what the price of Bitcoin is? It's never been at this price. If this isn't live, I'm psychic and very good at video editing. What's up with Gina? I don't know, man. Gina's leaving us at the end of the year. We only have one more FOMC, I think. But we have Asian Gina, so we're good. Why don't I do a combined live stream with Casper? I've been on Casper's channel. He's been on my channel. In the bear market, it just like doesn't usually make sense. What's up, Randy? How you doing, brother? Doesn't really make sense in the bear market. Now that things are spicier, I could start doing kind of collabs again. The problem is that when we do collabs, the viewership, no matter who it is, goes like to half. You guys just don't like other people being on the channel. Yo, Fresco. Senor Alfresco. I see you. Fresco. You should join tonight in the Discord, brother. Rico will be there. Make it like old times. You know you want to. It's pre-recorded, I know. I'm just very good at predicting what you guys will say and what the price will be. You think it's impressive when I put winning trades. It's even more impressive to know that I did them recorded in advance. Yeah, but that's how high tech we are here. Oh my God, Bitcoin. Bitcoin, I need to stop streaming. Go up. Go to 100K. I need the screenshot. Be nice to Lady Bitcoin. She's an abusive lover. What's going on in the Discord tonight, B team? Having a little partido, a little celebration. Even if it doesn't hit 100K, we're still gonna do it. Should you risk buying Bitcoin with target 100,000? You want to buy Bitcoin to sell it at 100,000? You're looking for a 0.4% gain? You better be trading with some big size, looking for that 0.4% gain. Honestly, while I believe it goes to 100,000 now, today, I believe that. There's no way to know. But to buy it right now for 100, it just seems like there's just no reward there. Like the risk is probably higher. Even though I think that's what's gonna happen. The upside is so little. So little. Buy a few million here to push her over. I wish I had that, Lee. I'm not the richest man on YouTube. I am much better off than when I started. Check FOMC thumbnail on their last stream on YouTube. I think you'll appreciate that. Who, John Connor? Whose? Whom's? Whom of which you speak? Check the FOMC thumbnail on their last stream. Who is there? We moved into MetaMask 2 days ago. Tangent Phil. All right, Ed Mouse. This is a really good opportunity while Bitcoin's sticking us around here. Yes, MetaMask is your wallet and you do own it. But I have a caution for you here as well. Do not keep all of your coins on a MetaMask that you are using to sign contracts. Have a wallet for trading the same way that you would do it with an exchange. Have a wallet for trading shitcoins, meme coins, whatever, on Radium or whatever it is, where you're signing contracts. Do not do that. I don't care how much research, how confident you are in them. Don't do that. Treat it the same way as an exchange in your hard cold storage. Put onto that wallet what you want to trade. Keep the rest in a much more secure location. You will lose all your money at some point if you do that. Promise you. ICP breaking out? I don't know, man. Is it? A lot of people asked about ICP today. My eyes are starting to bother me. I'm going to turn these lights off. Hold up. The shade's on, but it still bothers me. Here we go. As soon as I stood up, I summoned it. I guess that was Binance breaking out. Binance broke out as soon as I stood up. ICP, I don't know. ICP still hasn't hit 1150. We placed this trade in June. I mean, that's still a big upside. Still 80%, but like, bro, I don't know. I don't know, dude. It has to get up past 1150 for me to give a single crap about it. It ain't there yet. At me above 1150. To be honest, don't even at me till 20. Binance just hit its all-time high. Still with that $300 difference versus Coinbase spot. My eyes are really bothering me. See huge sells on Bitcoin? Probably. Probably, buddy. I don't care. We just want to see that number. That sweet number. That's all I care about. Are we going to? I don't know. I'm sure people are going to take profit at 100K, but I'm sure people will buy at 100K. Which is bigger? We'll have to find out. We've been live a long time. I'm suffering from some eye strain. I don't want to get up because we're so close, but like honestly, this could be like all day. Who knows? I have an idea. Let me go to the bathroom quick. Bitcoin doesn't like to run when I go to the bathroom. I won't be long, but I gotta get. I think I gotta put in eye drops or something. My eyes are like super strained. Give me a sec. Don't go anywhere. Keep smashing the likes. Join the Discord. Let's go. Oof, yeah, my eyes are not happy with me. Turns out like mad streaming all the time with bright lights, probably not the best. Music stopped for some reason, but Bitcoin's going, baby. It's going. We can't quit. We got no time to quit now. We got no pump song on. Oh, man. Yeah. I'm glad we didn't put it on. It just immediately went down. Even thought about a pump song and it went down. Put in eye drops. Hopefully that helps. I think my eyes are just like really strained. Sunglasses actually help with eye strain. You know what time it is. Bitcoin, I swear to God, if you go down. Swear to God. What's up, Peter? Eminent, Sushant. I see you guys. Let's go. Tag there, move back up. That's right, Zeus. You effed up.
How many gods fall, there will always be another to stand against you. They will fall as well. Death of Olympus means the death of us all. Then prepare for your death, Poseidon.
Bring the lights off, help. Immortal. The god of Olympus. Let's go. The 100K will fall as well. Keep subscribing, fam. What's up, S2 Chroma? Let's go. You don't mess with Kratos. The ultimate cock block, 99,850. This could take a while. If it breaks 99.3, it's not at the end of the world. But I probably will stop watching it. Like, second to second. What's up, George XI? Welcome, brother. Welcome.
Zeus should have kept you where you belong.
Should have kept you where you belong.
No matter how many gods fall, there will always be another to stand against you. They will fall as well. Death of Olympus means the death of us all.
Casper's probably at church singing. What's up, Casper crew? 4-second chart? Yeah. That'll get everybody nice and riled up. Tony Vase says we're going down to 1K? You mean that we're going down 1K? To 1K? I doubt it. Boo! Bitcoin says, boo. Boo. This ain't shit. That ain't shit. It's certainly a block to the cock, but ain't shit. Let's see. We are very zoomed in, guys. 0.8% down. Like, we are very zoomed in. I know it looks big, but it's very zoomed. You sold. People front running 100K. Panic. 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 Bruh, bruh. How can you panic? We're at 99,000. How could you panic? Panic is not the right emotion. BMX, I don't think I ever said you were a bot. No, you don't comment. You're good, bro. I was calling the people spamming dub or whatever. Dud. Bud, dub, dub. Okay, thank God. I got up and put drops in because my freaking eyes, dude, there was like a spot in my left eye and it wasn't going away. It started freaking me out a little bit. It's looking better. It's gone. It's gone now. Oh my Lord. This is still happening. It's just, it's not happening this second. How long have we been live for? Come back at 100K? Yeah, right. Ocular migraine? Yeah, probably, dude. We've been doing 2-3 hour streams every day this week. That's a lot for me. We've only been doing 3 a week. And then this one, Lord knows how long. I have no idea. We started it at 12:30. It's almost 3. Another 3 hour. Another 3 hour banger. It's weird that it doesn't tell me how long ago the stream started. Oh, there it goes. We're at 3 hours. 3 hours on top of the 2.5 hours we did the last 4 days. 10, 13. Yeah, it's quite a bit. Quite a bit. What's up, Lazaro? If you like the type of music, check out Ganja White Live. Ganja White Live? Ganja White Night? Love Ganja White Night. Ganja White Night is my kind of dub, bro. My kind of rhythm. My kind of dirty music. Love Subtronics. Love Excision. Or is Ganja White different? Ganja White. Nah, it's Ganja White Night. Ganja White Night, dude. I love the dub. I wish I could be at Ultra right now. God, I wish. Let's keep on going. We got it, bro. Other streamer really streaming for 10 hours just to witness Bitcoin 100K. That's crazy. Yeah, I mean, you know, we used to do shit like that. We used to do that. Floaters? No, it wasn't a floater. I have a weird eye thing going on, guys. You want me to tell you while we're burning time? But we've been doing this almost 6 years. Back in the, I don't know, first 2-3 years. Yeah, we used to like bang out 10-hour streams or whatever. But like, yeah, dude, I can't do that anymore. Gotten older. Gotten more tired. I've been having this problem with my eyes, and I've gone to two retina specialists, and both of them told me my eyes are perfectly healthy, and there's no physical reason. Like, I have 20/20 vision, my retinas are perfectly healthy, my eyes are perfectly healthy, my eye pressure is good, everything's good. Like, there's nothing that we can see that would like suggest this is happening or be the reason. But I have, over the last like 2 years maybe, it's like one in each eye. I have these like fixed spots, and they're not in my central vision. They're like in my peripheral. I have these fixed spots, and they're not like black holes or something, but it's like, you know, if you look at like a bright light and you close your eyes, you have that kind of after image burn. It's like that, but they don't go away. They don't move. They don't change. And they just kind of like appeared. I don't know. I think I need to see like a neurologist. It might be like my visual cortex or whatever. Sunglasses screw up your eyes? They can. They can. I don't think it's that though. It's called getting older. Really? Is that normal? To get like, dude, they're just like two fixed spots. Thank God they're not my central vision. That'd be nightmare fuel. Low main, grab that shit. I want some low main right now, bro. Check CME. CME already hit 100. CME still at 100, baby. At 100 again. Let's go. I almost want to just like take the screenshot here and be like, haha, 100K. Get rid of this. Price. This way, if it doesn't hit 100 on Coinbase spot, I can still be like, let's go. I got it. You all just have to like live this lie with me forever if that's the case. Can someone take a screenshot? Ready? There we go. Get the screenshot. Hopefully that was believable. What a lovelier chart. Already at 100,000. Here we go. Coinbase giving us a little pop. Probably like as soon as I was going to close it. Be like calling it. Best screenshot wins. There we go. There we are. 100K, baby. It's real. We're all in on this lie together now. Forever. We're taking this to the grave. I'll know. I'll know if you tattle. I can't believe this is taking so long. You're fine with that? Cool. I knew I could trust you, fish. Pretend to wrap it up. Yeah, you're right, 𝐂𝐽. I should be like, well, I guess it's not going to 100K today. Guess it never will. I should probably just end the stream. Yep, we gotta end the stream because it's not happening. Let me just shut this down. Turn off these tunes. It's been great, guys. Maybe the outro Shill always pumps it. You guys should join the Discord. Discord.gg/TomCrown. It's free. And if you sign up with any of the partners or sponsors in the video description below, and there's more in the Discord, you will get into our private trading group in Discord. Cost you nothing. You can't pay your way in. They are affiliate links. It does help support the channel, so I appreciate you. You should check out BYDFI, our new exchange partner. They're great. 𝐂𝐡𝐚𝐫𝐭, the #1 indicator company in the world and on TradingView. They have hundreds of free indicators, great premium indicators. Wait till Monday, though, to sign up with them because they're doing their Black Friday sale. Let's see. You should subscribe. You should turn on your notifications. Make sure all are selected. Make sure the notifications on your phone are enabled, or else they won't work. What else could I shill here? Check out crownanalysis.com. We just actually published a new article up there. It's working. It's working. Just stick with me here. Crownanalysis.com. It's been a little inactive, but I think that it's about to get a little more active. Shout out to Senor Crypto Poppy for writing a new article reviving the energy here. Talking about top signals. Very in-depth, very spicy. You definitely want to check it out. You do not want to not check it out. Dude, it's actually working. Profits taken. See you next time. It's working. What else could I shill here? Bitcoin is great. I love Bitcoin. What else do I have? It's time. I have like nothing to shill. No, I'm letting everyone down by not having enough to shill. Oh yeah, check out our playlist. We have a in-depth, free, the best one on YouTube. We have a beautiful #1 trading course. There is no premium trading course. It's free. It's on this channel. There's about 25 episodes in a playlist, and we publish a new episode every 2 weeks. We published one about a week ago, so look out for the next video coming out in about a week. That one is going to be on imbalances in market structure using an indicator. I can't stop now. I just have to keep going. Using imbalance in market structure to identify trading opportunities. Oh, it just hit. It just just hit it again. Banger course. Let me just show you some of these. I'm still shilling corn because we're wrapping up the video. Turning off the stream here in a second, so we're still going. We're not done. The last video was on. Let's see what the last video was on. The last video was on something. It was on break of structure and change of character in markets. The video before that, oh God, no, come back. I have to keep chilling. The video before that was OTE, the optimal trade entry. We have ones like candlestick patterns, supply and demands, premium and discount, confluence, smart money trading strategies, market structure, moving averages, the MACD indicator, order blocks, VWAP, breaks and retests, divergence on oscillators, signals and overlays, 𝐂𝐴LGO's flagship indicator, liquidity, support and resistance, trading VRPR, great, everybody likes VRPR, great volume indicator, Elliott wave, trend lines, Fibonacci, Fair value gaps and smart money concepts, new all-time high while I'm chilling. Let's go. Check out that playlist. There's 25 lessons. I think we've got 5 more in the tank ready to be published. They're all this beautiful quality. They're masterpieces. They're anywhere from 5 to 8 minutes. And they're just a nice little to the point, no fluff explanation of trading concepts. No shill, nothing in it. I'm terrible at monetizing. Let's go. Let's go. Yep, just wrapping it up, Corn. So don't even worry. You just keep on pumping because I'm definitely done with the stream and I'm not even looking at you because that's how serious I am about the things I'm saying at this moment. I'm just going to put on this song as the outro. Definitely not looking at price. What's up, Dexon Slum? Dexon Slum? What's up, bro? Morris Craven, George. Keep subscribing, bro. Yeah, I'm still ending the stream, guys. Better check out all the stuff I talked about. It's really important. You should join the Discord. In a few hours, we're going to have a little open mic night, chill celebration session. We hope you join. We're live Monday, Wednesday, Friday, typically, but we're live every day of the week when it's really spicy. Oh, dude, I'm not good at chilling. I'm not good at chilling, bro. Not good at chilling. I really dragged that out. I might need to repeat all that. Yeah. You will stop watching this stream. Go ahead, Robin. That's fine. The stream's going to be turned off in a few seconds anyway. That's why it doesn't matter. Definitely not looking at it. Barbie girl. Yeah, actually, what about Crocodile? I don't think Crocodile we can play anymore. Oh yeah, we can. Nice. Yeah. The second I stopped shilling, it went red. The second. $400. Bitcoin doesn't have it in her. Yeah, she's got it in her. She just wants you to quit first. This is a good song. Damn, that's some whipsaw. What do you think of this? 100K trade. Maybe wrecked. Coinbase didn't go down yet. That's kind of cool. Yeah, this track's fucking lit. I'm not saying take this trade. I'm just putting something up there. This has been a long stream. Really thought I'd be able to hold it out till 100. What is this? 58K pretty much, bro. W's in the chat, boys. L's in the chat for this trade. Wetty spaghetti. It's spaghetti. A spaghetti. Wetty. Too wetty. Face directly in my face. Let's go. Let's go. Step away from the sell button. Join that Discord. Just bounce here and go to 100. All right, if this gets stopped out, I'm ending the stream. That's how serious I am, Bitcoin. I'm so super serial. You're a king, Jeff. Just do it. Do it, Bitcoin. Yeah, this beat does slap, though. This is good tunes. Crocodile. I wish I could play all the music I want to play, but I can't. I tried playing Rez once, and Rez, like, blocked the stream. Thanks, Rez. Thought you had good vibes, Rez. Apparently not. Like, blocked it's like no one could view it anywhere on the planet. Not even just, like, took the monetization, which is fine, obviously. That's what usually, or split it. She, like, made it so, like, I don't know, not her personally, but it is set up so that, like, the stream just couldn't be viewed by anyone. Let's go. Let's go. No. Keep it going. Keep it going. That was a cool little pop. This is some really kind of volatile. These are some volatile moves. We are on the 1 minute, but the way this has been popping back and forth. The little bubble song, we can play that. Little bubble. I asked him for permission to play his songs in my live streams personally. And he said, yeah, man, go for it. After this crocodile ends, I'm gonna play that sailor song, bud. I've never met him. I assume I will meet him soon. Centipede. Let's go. To 100K. Just do it. I mean, you were at 100K anyway. What are you afraid of? 99.8 is 100. It's the same thing. Yeah, this is some real long foreplay. I'm not really into foreplay this long. Not really my jam. 𝐒𝐈𝐍. Shout out to Mr. Little Bubble. I'm subscribed. You should be subscribed to him too. I'm about to spin one of his tracks. Ooh, that's gonna be loud.
New York City, they're not buying the real estate because they want to live in it.
But like
Shout
most
out
of the people who are buying
to
assets
Bubs.
at some point want to sell the assets at a profit.
People that use fiat currency
What do we call them?
as a store
What are they called?
of value, we call them poor. We call them poor. People that use
Correct.
fiat currency, we call them
poor. Bitcoin's like, don't call me poor.
We call them poor. We call them poor.
I love this song. The saxophone.
There's a name for them. We call them poor.
So funky.
We call them poor. Okay.
Okay.
Right, like
All right.
the point is, if you have the superior asset, it's going up forever, Laura. Forever.
Right, I mean, right, but
I mean, we got the
we can all
screenshot either
look
way.
Bitcoin sort of as
You're all gonna live the lie with me.
People that use fiat currency as a store of value, we call them poor. We call them poor. People that use fiat currency, we call them poor. We call them poor. We call them poor. We call them poor. There's a name
Doctoring
for
the
them.
screenshot.
We call them poor. We call them poor. We call them poor.
No. All right, if it breaks under this trend line.
We call them poor. We call them poor. Okay.
I'm queuing this up as a draft on Twitter.
I'm not the only one.
Oh no.
We walk these streets.
No.
what do you do with the Bitcoin besides it just gather
No.
value?
Real estate developers.
It auto-played and started auto-playing Two Friends, and I have no idea if Two Friends will... Ooh, good thing I caught that. Luckily, I still got a little bit of my wits with me. All right, fam. All right. This has been a hell of a long stream. Bitcoin's going to 100K. It already was there. We're going to be live again Monday at the latest, but tonight in the Discord, discord.gg/TomCrown. We're going to have a party. It's open invite. You don't have to be a member. You don't have to be a whatever. Everybody's invited. All we ask is you be respectful. Come with good energy, good vibes. If you don't, I mean, we'll just ban you. You know, it's not a big deal. But come celebrate with us. 8 p.m. East. It is 3. That's 5 hours. I got to go relax. This has been a long stream. It's been a hell of a ride. I love you all, fam. Use my links. Check out the playlist. I'll see you soon. I'll let Bitcoin